Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I will be showing you how to use InVideo AI text to video for free. And if that sounds about right, let's head right in. Alright, so first of all, you do need to create an account. Very essential, very necessary. Although this is a free tool, there is of course a premium version, and eventually you will need to upgrade, but I guess for this tutorial we'll just use the free version. Alright, so I have an account already. As you can see, I'm registered, I'm logged into my account. As you can see, this is a project I was working on. Before this video I will be doing something new, so you would want to click on where it says AI text to video right here, and we'll just click this plus and wait for it to load. Alright, when it loads, there are a bunch of templates you can use. They're all free. These are free templates that you can use, and well, I guess for this video we'll just use something real simple like this, and it gives you a window where you can preview the template before you use. You also have an option of being able. There is of course also an option to change the orientation from landscape to square, and of course portrait. It all depends on what you're looking for, and if everything is about right, we can head right in and try to see how we can customize this template for ourselves. Alright, so I'll just leave it on portrait and I will use template. Right here by the left is of course where you should be able to add your script. That is of course the text you want to be added to the video, and as you can see, it's written ask AI to write your script. Of course, the easiest way to convert your script to an engaging video in minutes. So essentially all we have to do is copy and paste our text over here, and I have some, although I do need to make some edits, some little changes to it. So let's just remove a couple of things, and I think I'll just do this and delete this just so it's not too long. And right, so for the images, there is, for the free version, auto generated images and video suggestions. We can click on free. That is of course if we are using the free version. If you're using paid, you will have the opportunity of using iStock and some other premium sites to generate your pictures and videos. So since we're on a free account, I'll just click on create scene and I'll wait for it to set up our project. Alright, and as you can see by the left here, these are our scenes with each line of script we added rather. And the thing is, if I click on each, we do have an opportunity of editing this line here, and for each paragraph we have of course different scenes. Right, so these are called scenes, and in total we have 6 scenes. If I scroll down, you can see that there are different scenes with different text on them. Right, with different text on them, and I have the opportunity of doing an edit directly as to where exactly I want to position this. But for now, I'll just leave it where it is, and we'll just move on. So these are the different scenes in this project with the text we added. And as you can see, these are of course, these might not be the best pictures to use for this project, but then again, it is a template. You can select a template that best suits what you're looking to do. So this is on storyboard mode. We can go to editor mode, and this will just give us more options that we can use in our project. So we can cut or modify these frames or scenes rather to suit what we want. We can add of course extra things like an extra video, images, music, text, logo to elements, and of course other templates. We can change these templates right here. We can drag and drop on the left bar here, right here. And of course there are other things that we can do, like add a collage or something from social. Right, so that said, this is supposed to be a really short video, so I'll try to keep it straight to the point. When you're done with your video, you're done editing and you're ready to download, there should be a button here, but since we are on a free account, we cannot export until we upgrade. So that said, that is all for this video. I do hope this video helped you. We were able to generate a video with our text, and of course we would have been able to export it, but unfortunately this is a free account. You can of course upgrade your account. If you have an account and you're trying to create a video, you do need to upgrade your account before you can export your videos. And of course, if you look right here, there is still the option of changing the orientation or the size, the screen size, to suit what you want. It is, of course, a matter of what you're looking to do. All right, so if that sounds right, I will end the video here, and I will see you in another one. If this video did help you, do well to leave a thumbs up on the video, and of course subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in another video.